So what I ought to be doing today is actually at home splicing images into the label chapter of my book, because I've been doing pictures bit by bit and that's pretty much what I'm down to. However, this is an absolutely beautiful morning in the approximately 10 days of actual springtime that we get in Tucson. And so I figured instead I would come out and walk up that ridge, because I've been staring at that thing around Tucson for a very long time and I've never gone up it. And I'm curious what the view is like from up there. So we're gonna take a hike up Pusch Ridge there, see what it's like. Then I'll come home and finish off the book manuscript. All right, we're continuing up. We have encountered the tiniest cairn ever. We're getting close. It's a long way down now. Onward. Burgers are calling.
Huh?
Burgers are calling.
Oh God, yes.